Okay. Are you going? Okay, sorry. All right, here's the opening. I chose my content, math, and area literature. To do this, I'm crossing the poem of the week with the concept of odd and even numbers. The brief history of the class. They have been introduced to odd and even numbers. On Mondays, there is a poem of the week that gets put into their poetry journal, which gets worked on throughout the week. So I brought that literature and mixed it with simple odd and even numbers for first grade. Okay, so I guess we need to start the lesson now. Okay, here we go. Okay, class, I know it's time for Poem of the Week. Today, I'd like you to sit down, Jake, so I can look at somebody. This is weird. You can leave it. Okay. Okay, it's Poem of the Week, but does anybody notice that there are numbers in our Poem of the Week?
Yes.
Yes, great, Jake, thank you. A little froggy for first grade, but it's okay. Here's the Poem of the Week, and there are numbers in it. What I want you to do is I'm going to read the whole poem one time, and then we're going to echo. Remember how we echo read? I read, you read, I read, you read, and then we'll both read it together like we do every Poem of the Week. Okay, I'm going to read it for the first time, and I might put a little song to it because this is a little trick to remember odds and evens, just like we do with our days of the week. There was a farmer who had a goat, and even was his name, 02468, 02468, 02468, and even was his name, There was a farmer who had a cow, and odd was her name, 13579, 13579, 13579, and odd was her name, Okay, does that ring a bell with anybody? What tune does that remind you of? Bingo?
Yes.
Bingo? Sure. Remember we've been doing it?
Yep.
B-I-N-G-O. Okay. Are you ready? We're going to echo read. There was a farmer.
There was a farmer
Who had a goat.
who had a goat.
And even was his name-o.
And even was his name-o.
02468.
02468.
02468.
02468.
02468.
02468.
And even was his name-o.
And even was his name-o.
There was a farmer.
There was a farmer
Who had a cow.
who had a cow.
And odd was her name-o.
And odd was her name-o.
13579.
13579.
13579.
13579.
13579.
13579.
And odd was her name-o.
And odd was her name-o.
You think we could sing it together in unison?
Yes.
The whole class.
Yes.
Yes.
There
was a farmer who had a goat,
and
even was his name,
02468, 02468, 02468,
and even was his name,
There was a farmer who had a cow, and odd was her name, 13579. 13579. 13579. And odd was her name. Silent applause. That was beautiful. Beautiful.
Yay.
Thank you. Silent applause. Photo person. Okay. Oh. Okay. We went over odds and evens yesterday. And even, we can split the pile into 2 even piles. If you cannot split that pile into 2 even piles, it's odd. Remember that from yesterday? Yes, we do. With the beans, right? We use beans,
Yeah.
not big fat lima beans. Remember those? They were great. Okay. Who thinks they can come up and circle all of the zeros for me? For our goat. Oh. Come on, Jacob. You can take the lid off. Make sure you put the lid back on tight when you're done. Circle all the zeros. Nice and neat. Don't go into the 2s. Don't go into the 8s. Is that all the zeros, everybody? Great job, Jacob. Okay, who would like to come up and circle all of the 2s for me? Oh, Jacob Jr. Circle the 2s. Okay, we kind of get the gist of it. We're going to go through this. A lot of the class will have a chance to come up, circle nice, tight circles around the appropriate numbers. We'll continue this all the way up till Jacob Jr. Can he come up and circle the 4s? And while you're there, go ahead and circle the 6s, just to speed us along a little bit, because this could take a while. Especially if half the class needs to go get a drink right now. Oh, purple and purple doesn't go good together. What other color would you like to use? A blue?
Yes.
Blue, that would look nice. Notice how we don't have any colors together.
Yes.
Good job, kid. Good job. Okay, we would do the exact same with the odds. I don't think we need to go through that for the video. Okay. We're already into it 7 minutes, that's all.